Did you know that you walk around Earth approximately 2 times during a lifetime? Movement has always been at the core of our existence. We do it all the time without even thinking about it. And what can most of us thank this to? You guessed it, our lovely feet. We run with them, we play with them, we kick ass with them, and occasionally just chill with them. From young to senior, we use them daily. But all this movement put a lot of pressure on our feet, knees and whole body. So why wouldn't we treat them the best as they deserve? Because we all want to walk long in life, don't we? Introducing Feet ID, custom-made insoles for your feet, with features such as the custom molded fit and shock-absorbing heel pad. Because movement should always be easy and enjoyable. Our test group came back with these reviews. So, wherever you are going, go there in style, knowing that you take care of your feet and whole body with Feet ID insoles.